Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros. And for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to change your control panel view on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on the search menu, and then here at search for apps, and then you need to type control panel, and then click open. So once you open up this control panels and on how to change this control panel view, so on top right corner, and then you can see here the view by, and then we have the three option here. So you need to select this arrow. So you need to select this category. So this is the category view, and the other one, this is the large icons. So click. So large icons, you can see all these settings and options. And the other one, this is the small icon. So click, and you can see here, this all settings are comes in small icons. Alright, so select whatever you prepared to view your control panel, either large icons or either category. So that's it guys. So very simple on how to view this control panel. Alright, so that's it guys on how to change control panel view in Windows 10 or Windows 11. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.